fitter, and also I do cedar tree grinding and tree grooming of all sorts. Anything that has to do with trees and brush, I pretty much clean up. I was looking for something that was more efficient than the drum style heads. I saw the advertisement on the internet and was intrigued by the atomizing of the trees, and so I checked into it and I ended up with a Diamond prototype. It performs excellent. It's probably the most efficient way of grinding trees on the market today. It's fast, it's efficient, it does a nice job of mulching the trees. The debris is small, the end product, it's just a nicely groomed atmosphere when you're done. I would totally recommend this product to anyone that wants to make money in the tree grinding business, or if you're an owner, operator, farmer, rancher. It's an awesome way of being a good steward to the land. It does a really nice job of cleaning your property up.